go. So, once again, on number, what was that again, Ms. Newell?
What?
What number was that?
Oh,
13. Okay? It originally said 4x squared minus 9x. But notice that is in standard form, but we have no b value, do we? Right? No b value. What if I wrote it this way? What if I have 4x squared plus 9x? Do I add a 0 in the end and try to do it? No, I just say, oh, what do those guys have in common? But because I don't have my b value, I introduce it by saying 0x. Okay? We go ahead and do it again just like normal. 4 times negative 9. Negative 36, right, Mike? Now when it's 0, it's really simple. All you got to do is take that square root right here. Why would I be taking the square root? Can anybody tell me why I'd be taking the square root? Go ahead, Alex. They have to be the same number. One's got to be positive, one's got to be negative to get to 0, right? What's the square root of 36? And isn't that the group that's going to be 0, one's positive, one's negative? Now could I go through the factor tree still? So that's just a simpler way. When it's a 0, that's just a simple trick to understand. This is actually called a difference of squares. Because this really, what's the square root of 4? 2, what's the square root of x squared? X. What's the square root of 9? What's the square root of 9? Okay. Notice, watch for those numbers in our final answer, okay? Alright, so I'm going to rearrange it. How am I going to write it? Anyone want to share how they want to write it? Go ahead. It doesn't really matter if I did 4x squared plus 6x minus 6x minus 9. I could have done that. Why do I personally always like to put the negative second? If there's two of them. Does anybody remember why I like to put the negative second? Because remember, if the third term's negative, what do we have to pull out in the last two? A negative number, right? Do you remember me telling you that last time? So therefore, if I have a choice of a negative and a positive, I prefer the negative being the second term and not the third term. Does that make sense what I'm trying to get there? Okay, key thing here, guys, what do we have to check? We got to make sure it equals 0, right? Does negative 6x plus 6x give me 0? Yes, no, maybe so? It does, doesn't it? Okay? What do those guys have in common? What do those guys have in common? Let's come over here. Maddie, I haven't heard from you today. Will you help me out? Have I heard from you today? Will you help me out? Here we go. What's the front guys have in common, Maddie? Good. I'm sure I saw you working diligently to get that, right? That's good, Dan. That's not good. If I pull a 2x from 4x squared, that's a 2x, right? If I pull a 2x from negative 6x, that's a negative 2. Okay, if I pull what are these guys? What do these guys have in common? Abby, what do they have in common? What kind of a 3? Positive, so that's right. They both have a positive 3. This was a negative 6, then I pull out a negative. So this is a positive 3. And I'm left with 2x minus 3 as well. Notice, guys, look here. 2x minus 3 and 2x plus 3. Notice what guys what's the answer? What's the square root of 4x squared? These are called conjugates. See how they're the same thing except a different sign in the middle? Those are called conjugates. Write that down. If they're the same binomial but a different sign in the middle, right, Remington? I'm going to write this down for you, okay? Then those guys are called conjugates. guys at the game this weekend? Any big deal at UK? You watch the football? Not really? There you go. Definition of conjugate is the same binomial as this binomial. They have 2x and 2x. Have a 3 and 3. What's the only difference is the sign in between. One's positive, one's negative. So can somebody tell me what would be the conjugate of this guy? And notice, ladies and gentlemen, difference of squares always come down into conjugate. That's what will happen. Difference of squares will always come down into conjugate. Not every time. If, you could say that if they are both perfect squares. Is 9 a perfect square? Yes. Now if I wrote you this, I have no middle sign. Are those perfect square roots? Only one there, there's the perfect square root. And that'd be a minus, hence the word difference of squares. Okay? Anybody else have a homework question, or can we leave it be? What was the last one? Did you look up in the notes? Check out? You didn't, did you? Use the information provided to write the factor form from the travel limits. So what does it say? It says write it in factor form. What does factor form look like? That's example. Factor form. So we stop at this factor, right? I'll let you do that, okay? Alright? Okay. So I guess turn those in at the end of the class period? Yeah. Alright. So let's get into our lesson today. Okay? Okay. Our lesson today, guys, everybody still with me and still doing on your homework, so if I'm doing that. Because you still got to get today's done, right? I'll give you that on the screen, I think, hopefully. This shouldn't take too long today. How do you guys feel about factors? Should I give you one right now and I'll walk around and see how you guys do? Is that a fair deal? Okay, let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to have 4x squared minus 8x minus 5 equals, yeah, we'll just have it. I'm going to put an equal 0 here, and we're actually going to teach it. So, ignore the equal 0 right now, but I would like you guys to factor that term. I'm going to push pause right here because there's no use to keep going while I walk around, right? Negative 20, what's the factor to negative 20? That gives me to be 8. 120 is 2 and 10 that give me to be 8, though, right? Okay, so how am I going to write that? This is a key important part. How do I write it? Because I'm going to subtract. Because I'm trying to remember to get to the middle term. Which one? How do I do it? Okay, so notice this isn't the same what I wrote with 2ab, right? I did 2x minus 10. Is that okay? What's 2 minus 10? Negative 8. And what's negative 10 plus 2? There's no difference, right? There isn't a difference. Except how your answer will look on the end, right? That's it. Okay, so then we group. What do these guys? That's still one of you guys' biggest concerns, is looking for what they have in common. We've got to get over that soon enough. Good job. And then I'm left with 2x minus 5. What do these guys have in common? 1. 2x minus 5. So I fill out with 2x minus 5, and I get 2x plus 1. Ladies and gentlemen, keep solving there. Okay? Note to yourself, try to figure that out. That's lucky. Very good. Yep. We're not done now, though. Okay? The difference is, on this one, is what? Let me guys ask you guys a question. part. This is the extra part today, guys. This is the new part today is this. You're still going to factor. That's not new. The new part is solving. By setting it, or basically, remember how we found our x-intercept? We're doing a sine of 0. This is called another way for an x-intercept. Okay? So, I have the 5. Then what? Divided by 2 for x equals 5 halves. I'm going to show you in proof here that that equals 0. How do I get this one? Minus the 1 and then divide by 2. This answer is this answer on the negative 1. Hey, why is that my answer? Well, once again, isn't this equivalent to this statement here, Michael? Yeah. This standard form, and this is called factor form, right? Well, Michael, this is in multiplication now, correct? How does multiplication become 0? When this guy is 0 or that guy is 0. So we have to ask ourselves, Mike, what value makes this guy 0? So I ask myself, what value does it make this guy 0? 2x minus 5 equals 0. Okay, now watch me plug it back in. Okay, 2 and a half is the same thing that was 5 halves, right? Okay, so Mike, I have this. 2, what was the value made him 0 again? 5 halves. So I have 2 times 5 halves minus 5. And this cancel, what's that? 0. So what's 0 times whatever is in there? Right? If I plug in negative a half, let's plug it in this one. I'd plug it in him technically, but is this guy going to be a 0 when I plug it in? No, but do I even care what this value is going to be if this guy is going to be 0? No matter what he is. Right? But I could plug it in. 2 times negative a half minus 5. Okay. 2 times negative a half plus 1. I care about this side because those guys cancel. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0 times that crap over there is 0. I am looking for the value that makes the equation. Now, why is there 2 of them? You guys remember the parabola? Didn't we do parabolas, right? How many times could you cross the x-axis? Why? So where's it at? Let's see how I said that 2x plus 1 equals 0. So that's 2x plus 1. Let's see, 2x plus 1 equals 0. So let's swap it for 1. 2x plus 1 negative a half. Negative 1 divided by 2. We try another one? You guys ready? X to 0 gives us our y-intercept, not our x-intercept. Two different things. Okay? No, can't do what you just said. Okay, you guys ready? Okay, here we go. Let me think of one. Yeah. Give me 1 second. So, what's different about this one than the previous one we just had? We don't have it set equal to 0, do we? Can we make it easily set equal to 0? What do? Get everything on one side. Now, me personally, ladies and gentlemen, me personally, I like my a value positive. So what's my a value? Is that the number in front of the x, or the x squared, or just the top? The x squared. So what do I need to do? Do I need to subtract the 4x squared or subtract the x squared? I need to subtract the x squared. So that tells me what side I'm getting everybody on. Does that make sense to everyone? So therefore I'm going to subtract x squared. And the 11. Right? Wexford, which is what our goal is, right? Hold on. I just messed up. So give me a second. Let's make this a free. Yes, I have. Or it won't pass. And we haven't got to the thing that wants that. Hey, what do we wrap? Where do we go to? What's the number we're going to multiply to? 3 times negative 6 is what? Negative 18. Anybody have a question there? Factors of 18 are? What? Okay, where do we always start? There you go. Then where? Can I do 2 and 9 instead? And then the other one there? Which one gets us to do 3? 3 and 6. How is it going to be rewritten? Is it negative 3 minus 6 or is it 6 minus 3? Why is it 6 minus 3? Because that gives us a positive 3x, doesn't it? Everybody see that? Okay, this is our last example, guys. As soon as this, you can work on homework today. Okay? So, 3x squared. What was it again? How are we writing it? Plus 6x minus 3x minus 6 equals 0. You might have it differently, right? You do negative 3x plus 12, which is fine. But I should have did it because I just barely told you guys I like my third term positive, right? I just barely got that thing. Okay, group the front two and group the back two. What do the front two have in common? 3x, right? If I pull out a 3x, what's left over? X plus 2. Because I'm dividing it out there. Not subtracting that. Tell them, what do these guys have in common? Negative 3x minus 6. What kind of a 3? Good. So therefore, when I pull it out, tell me what it is. Negative 3. Is it negative 2? Because if I pull a negative from a negative, it comes out to be a positive, right? Anybody have a question where I'm at? Okay? Pull out the what? X plus 2, what's left over? 3x minus 3. Who does not have this? You go. How many do not have that because they went actually the other way? Oh, I thought you were meaning this. Did you get this, Vanessa? You did actually? What? Wow. Hey, where does that come from? What? Good lord. So if I rearrange this, but no, they all basically, if you put this the other way, it looks like. Ah, sneaker. That's the other way, but it's the same thing. Because notice, guys, watch this. What do these guys have in common? Well, it just so happens. It doesn't really matter. Don't even care about it. Don't worry about it. I'm not trying to overstress you. Okay? Is there a way to check it out? If you needed to, you could pull it back through and make sure you got it right. Correct? Next step. What's our next step? Set them both equal to what? That's our step today. What value makes this guy 0? What value makes this guy 0? So then I equal 0, I get 3x equals 3, x equals 1. Notice even if I was at this stage, I subtract the 6, divide that 0 by this. one and the two. Ladies and gentlemen, that's our class.